Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashionverse. Hope you guys are doing great, and this is Ooty vlog part 4. So let's begin from where we left in part 3, that is Paikara Waterfalls. So guys, let's get started with today's vlog. Wow guys, just look at the view. Look at the backdrop. That's my husband, always busy on call. I was saying I'd come for a romantic trip, but he's busy. So no problems. I'll enjoy with you guys, talking to you guys and capturing these beautiful shots. Nice, isn't it? It's hot guys, it's really hot, but you can't do anything about it. Actually the temperature is kind of fluctuating at this time because when we were coming by the buggy, it was like it kind of got a little colder, and suddenly again it got sunny. So weird, but it's okay. What can be done about it? But at least it's not discomforting. The heat is not discomforting. It is like okay, it's pretty manageable, and we are kind of having fun. So this is the best shot that we took here, and I had to share with all of you. So here it is. Moving on, yay, finally we are very close to the waterfall. But yes, I've already mentioned this in my earlier vlog that these people have told us that there isn't a lot of water here, but still whatever this place has to offer, that is itself breathtaking. So I think coming down all the way, covering so many steps, approximately 100 I guess, it's all worth, So let's enjoy this view for a while, and then we'll go ahead. Before I forget to mention, we are here during the peak summers of Ooty, and that's why everything is all dried up. So obviously when you visit during the other seasons of the year, the situation is going to be much better and way beautiful than what you're witnessing at the moment. Although for me this was also more than perfect. How can I go ahead to the next destination without giving you a glimpse of the pictures that I took here? And here they are. Okay friends, so the third spot, we are at the pine forest, and yes, at least the heat is not there because it's forest. So yeah, so I'm getting down towards the lake, so I'll quickly show you. But before taking you through this, let me start from where we entered this place. We were charged an entry fee of ₹5 per head and welcomed by this beautiful monkey family, and a glimpse of what is awaiting for us. So we are heading towards the lake. You can see basically I'm walking downwards towards the lake, starting from the entry point where we got the tickets and all, and this is kind of giving me or reminding me of all those Bollywood films. So I made a reel over here and yes, you can check it on my Instagram. It's a little slippery here, so I am now taking all the baby steps that I can. Oops. God, being a vlogger is not so easy. But yes, I'm trying harder. I'm trying harder to be safe as well as shoot whatever I can. So let me just take my baby steps, and yes, see, yeah, it's good guys, you have to agree with me. And yes, now we are reaching the lake. Let me show you once I get closer to it. Yeah. Almost there. So lake time guys now. Oh, I don't think you can actually experience this anywhere else, or at least I haven't experienced this kind of combination where you come across a forest and then you land up in a beautiful lake. clean, clear water. I came here 10 years back and it was this well maintained, and today also it looks the same. I don't think there's any change, so I think that is the best part about it. So now let's go and quickly check this lake out. This is the lake, guys. Isn't it beautiful? And yes, some pictures that I took here. And now with these amazing pictures, our trip in Ooty ended. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog as well as all other parts of Ooty vlog. Also, you can find the links of all the other parts of Ooty vlog in the description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Fashionverse. And you can also follow me on Instagram. And guys, this is not the end. So picture abhi baki hai and wait for my Kurg vlog. Bye guys.